Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility. Ensure you can comfortably reach all pedals and have a clear view of your surroundings. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, noting the speedometer, fuel gauge, and warning lights. Understanding these basics is crucial before you even start the engine, setting you up for a safe and confident driving experience. Once comfortable, practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking. Avoid sudden movements to maintain control and passenger comfort. When steering, use both hands on the wheel, typically at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions, for precise handling. For parking, utilize your mirrors and any available parking assist features. Start with simple parallel or perpendicular parking in a low-traffic area to build your confidence and skill. Your Grand Cherokee offers advanced capabilities, like its four-wheel drive system. Learn when and how to engage it for improved traction on challenging surfaces. The Select Terrain system allows you to optimize vehicle performance for conditions like snow, sand, or mud with a simple dial. If you plan to tow, always check your specific model's towing capacity, which can be over 6,000 pounds, and ensure your trailer is properly hitched and loaded for safety. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Grand Cherokee running smoothly and safely. This includes checking fluid levels, such as oil and coolant, and performing tire rotations every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Always maintain proper tire pressure, typically around 35 psi, for optimal handling and fuel efficiency. Staying hydrated is key for long drives, so consider an O-Ala water bottle to keep your drinks cool. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.